Thanks for joining us again at ProWing here in Germany. Had a great 3 days on our final day today, but been wandering around this massive marquee with about, I don't know, 200 vendors. And what we're quite keen on, Trevor's on camera, is traditional wood kits for building. And with SMT-RC, Bryce here, family-run business, which is lovely to see, and they do World War I scale aircraft. Bryce, could you tell me about some of the aircraft that you have, that you are selling?
Yeah, well, first we have the sports Fokker V23. This is more of a sports scale, so more of an entry-level model. Super easy to put together. It's full laser cut.
You were telling me that you sell all of the scale accessories,
yeah,
even the scale covering.
Even the scale covering, yeah. We have the scale cover, as we call it. It's a polyester foil with a glue. It's really easy to put on, and it really looks like the real thing.
It's really authentic, like the full size.
Like the full size, yes. And we print Lozenge on it. That's the World War I design, and we can print it on there.
But you literally sell everything here.
Yeah,
anybody would need to get one of these in the air. You told me you're developing engines.
Yep, at the moment
as well.
Yep.
But the only thing that somebody would need to add to these is a radio system.
Yeah.
So, okay, so that one. You've got a nice triplane over here.
Yeah, it's a Fokker DR1. That's the prototype. So we're still developing it. And we have the Fokker D7 and the Newport N11.
Beautiful.
Yeah, they're all scale 1 to 3, so really big models, around 3 meters in span. So yeah. Okay, if you enjoy building from balsa kits like my friend Trevor behind the camera, then you might be interested in these, because I haven't seen very many vendors of World War I type aircraft. So Bryce, thanks very much for your time. Great to meet you. Yeah.
Thanks again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen.